Hello once again, my name is Justin Hogan, and I am going to show you how to put on a mark hole for a doorknob. Okay, so I have a doorknob kit holder, comes with a strike plate locator. So I put that on here, I locate my strike spot. So if you see right there, you can barely see it. This comes out, locates where I need it. I pull it back, and so it's put on the door. I put where I want my hole to be. I get out my trusty tip. Since I don't have another helper, and I don't have a bunch of hands, I need to use the hole. I need to use a screw to hold where I want it to sit. I don't have to screw it in all the way, just enough to catch. So we're at this point here. I put on my hole cutter. I double check, see, that's where I want it. I get out my hole cutter. I brace. I check to make sure I'm low on my drill. Level button. And I keep steady pressure. Do not go up or down or side to side. Did not get it in all completely. Adjust the torque. At this point, I slow down because I do not want to bust out the other side. At that point, there should be a hole here. I line up my drill bit into the hole. So where I'm just going to lightly and my hole came out. And as you see, I did not rip the door. Now I have to bore where the lock will go. Get my 1-inch paddle bit. Some people call fans with paddle. Since I did not move it at all, it should be still lined up where I want it to be. And now I slowly, steady pressure, making sure I'm low. I am completely through there. 3 holes, and that's how you do it. I'm going to paint the door before I put the handle on, that way I will not get paint all up on my door. And then I could also fill in the hole I made. That's the doorknob kit I am going to use does not come with a door plate for here. I can fill this in with a little bit of glue. And that's how I cut the doorknob. Once again, just an eye.